Hot press, late session magazine, no?
I'm really happy to be here at the Industry 4.0 Exchange. I think the unique setup with the manufacturing is that they have a very strong research element to it. They have an element where they can connect the leaders in the field, where you can discuss topics and share best practices around it. And I'm looking forward to hear from many of the leaders what their experience is on their digital journey, how they focus on cost savings, how they connect tighter to their operations.
Finding something to help with the business, and we can definitely talk to you about that.
The keynote speakers this morning were very interesting and had very different discussion topics. One, a very pragmatic, traditional engineering quick fix, and another one, very big picture. How does Industry 4.0 fit into the global economic landscape and society in general? What I like most about these manufacturer conferences and events is that it's the small forum facilitated discussion groups. So after we hear a speaker, groups sit around and say 6, 7, 8 people, and we have a facilitated discussion around particular topics. And that's where I get the most learning, and that I will then take back to my companies and say, we can do this.
It's been a really good way of getting people to open up about some of the challenges that they have, and then getting people from different companies and different sectors talking about their experiences and what they've implemented and how that's worked for them. So it's been really engaging and some really interesting insights coming out of that.
Yeah, I've been to a lot of conferences where normally you get talked at, or there's a lot of keynote speeches, but the discussion format we have with the roundtables is really good because it enables the people to share the ideas, discuss the challenges, and almost have that collision of ideas and really talk a topic all the way through to the end.
So what's been nice is actually really hearing it from the horse's mouth. I mean, all too often you can hear about experts and people in a practicing state, but that's at consulting level. You're hearing real stories here, and the roundtable discussions are quite nice because everyone's sharing what the challenges are, with an equal opportunity for those that are also facing the same challenges to offering solutions or ways they are approaching this. The collaborative nature of these kinds of events are key, because it's all good to be talked at, but actually what you want to do is engage in the discussion, which I think they've done quite well here. They've got the balance of the two right.
Normally I wouldn't ask a question to a big audience. In this format I feel safe enough to share, to speak, and it's easier to listen as well and to pay attention, and you can go into more depth. As a manufacturer, it's good to share what you think is good from you and then contrast that and get people to ask questions about it. It also makes you question whether what you're doing is actually the way to do it.